Here, and it's Tramlines, and this time last year they were absolutely mental, and it's even more mental this year. So I want to just say, before we get kicking off, I want to say thank you to everybody that's come down today, everybody that's been with us for the last 2 years, and everybody that's hopefully going to stick with us and keep watching as we do more of this shite. We have got some gigs tomorrow as well, and we've got a big gig coming up at Lyceum in October. If you get a chance to come down to that, it might be a laugh. So in the meantime, I think it's time we cracked on and played some music. So, are you bastards ready? Hey! Not you all, them.
Trot on, Fluffy.
I've got a tape I want to play you. A brand new flat. I'm pissed off cause the walls are cracked. Oh no, what are we gonna do? We'll have to nip down to B&Q for some Polyfilla. That's the way for fill up, make crack better run, get off on the way. Oh, Polyfilla, that's the way. I start some DIY, I can't even finish it. I've got a paintbrush, it hasn't been washed for years. My missus says to me, that's an idle bastard. I better go out and get some plaster or some Polyfilla. That's the way for fill up, make crack better run, get off on the way. Oh, I'm moving into a brand new flat. I'm pissed off cause the walls are cracked. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Well, I've to nip down to B&Q for some Polyfilla. That's the way for fill up, make crack better run, get off on the way. Oh, now you're painting them stairs wrong colour, that getting some fist chuff. Polyfilla, fill up me crack. Polyfilla, fill up me crack. One more. Polyfilla, fill up me crack. Ha! Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Sheffield.